Hello and welcome to a new series of short videos demonstrating new features of CDO integration in the Luna release of the Eclipse Papyrus project. Today we'll be looking at the integration of Papyrus's model searching capability in CDO repositories. So let's start by connecting to a repository. We've got some models in here to search, and so let's get started with the search. So all of the same text search capabilities are supported for the models in currently connected CDO repositories as for models residing in the workspace. So let's say I want to search something about bugs, elements that have some kind of bug in the name. Make it a case-insensitive search, just search for elements by name. Now you notice here that we have the usual scoping options. Options like the enclosing projects and a working set, they only operate or they only make sense on workspace resources, so those searches naturally are confined to the workspace. The workspace-wide scope is interpreted as all the currently open workspace projects and all of the currently connected model repositories combined. And selected resources, in this case, the active workbench selection isn't actually anything recognized. That might be some elements in the Model Explorer. It might be some resources in the Project Explorer. It might be some models or folders in the model repositories. So for now, we'll just search the entire workspace for elements named bug, see what we get. There are some results already. So here's a model in the workspace. Let's not look too much into that. That's not so interesting. Here is a very similar, basically actually a copy of a bug tracker model in the repository. So what's this bug about here? This looks like a class named bug. And indeed, there it is. It's a class named bug. There it is. So we have also, of course, some associations with that name. So let's try a slightly more interesting search. This time we'll confine our search to the bug tracker models here in particular. Let's close that again. And let's search for the term bug again. But this time we'll search in all string attributes of the selected resources. So that should be just the tracker model. And that gives us a whole bunch of results. Why so many results? What's this permission owner business? What's that about? Why would that match a bug? Well, the qualified name is a string valued attribute that contains the search term that we're looking for. Okay, so those were a couple of quick and dirty search methods. Papyrus does provide a slightly more advanced option which lets us search for text in a set of specific selected attributes of various UML metaclasses. So I know somewhere in this repository there there's a state machine that has a state called something like close. So let's search for a state and in the name. And we'll search the selected resources, which in this case is the whole repository. So we'll search, and bam, there it is. It's a state called door closed. So let's open that up. And there it is. So I guess that's in this state machine here. Yeah, that's the one. So there we have a more specific kind of search. Now there are other elements in this repository, I know, that are named something along the lines of close. So let's just search to find what those were. Yeah, so here, so here's that door closed state in the state machine again. And here was another hit this time in an activity model. There's a close state in a bug life cycle. Yeah. So that is a brief overview of text-based searching with the Papyrus Search capability on CDO repositories. Thank you.